A little more than 27.5 million pesos. Magkano exactly ang winidraw nyo?
I withdrew 28 million
Kailan nyo po winidraw yung 28 million?
last week.
Anong araw po last week? At saang bangko po ninyo i-withdraw yung 28 million?
I think the withdrawal slips have been submitted to the committee, Your
So
Honor.
since sinabit nyo po sa komite, can you tell the committee verbally this time, anong withdrawal slip ang sinabmit nyo ng aling bangko on which day last week for the amount of 28 million pesos?
Galing po yun sa tatlong account ko sa February 8 po. I withdrew the money from my personal bank accounts from 3 banks,
February 8, from which
BDO,
banks po?
BPI, and Union Bank.
And yung tatlong withdrawal slips po ay nagtototal na 28 million pesos.